You have an air compressor, and every time that you want to put the hose, it's a struggle. You see, I'm pushing it and it doesn't go in. So this is the original one, and this is one of the most expensive, at least in Harbor Freight, air compressor, and it's trash. So what I did is I bought these red one. They are made of aluminum and they work very well. So if you see here, put it, that's it, without struggling. I don't have to push with both hands or anything like that. If you want to take it out, same thing, just push it and that's it. There is no much struggle. So the thing is the same thing here. So all you have, these are way lighter than the regular ones. For instance, I took this out and it works great. So I have done this, the same thing with the air filter that you see here. I replaced them all. No more struggle. So make sure to replace both. So next time, most likely I will replace the other one. But this one, it works great. No complaints. I had it for a few years, and that's it. So when you buy the kit, it comes like this, the way you see here. So you can use it for most of your stuff, and it costs just a few dollars. If you want to buy something like this, I'll leave you in the video description, so that way you can do that. Also, I have more videos if you want to go to the playlist. I have about plumbing, electrical, and everything. So as you can see, I'm pushing, and it's rocking back and forth, but it's not getting in. And here, you have to push it a little bit. That's it. It goes very well. So here's improvement. Use this to prevent any leak. So basically, this is the old one. Just put in abundance on the thread, in the other thread, in the male and the female, and you should be good. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.